The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has been released and is being tested, proving skeptics wrong. One of the major concerns was the battery life, but the S23 Ultra boasts a significant improvement in battery performance compared to its predecessor. In real-life usage and even under heavy drain, the S23 Ultra performs well, losing to the iPhone 14 Pro Max by just a few minutes, which is remarkable. A YouTuber by the name TechDroider recently released a video showcasing the battery performance of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, comparing it to other popular devices such as the iPhone 14 Pro Max, S22 Ultra, Xiaomi 13 Pro, and OnePlus 11. The results of the comparison were impressive. TechDroider tested the PUBG, and the result goes in the favor of the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max, Samsung S23 Ultra battery count. The second test includes browser surfing. Yes, the latest flagship phone from Samsung won the race along with iPhone 14 Pro Max. Samsung beats Xiaomi, Pixel, and OnePlus devices. Isn't it amazing? The new Galaxy S23 Ultra shows a significant improvement in overall battery life compared to its predecessor. In the battery drain test, it only lost to the iPhone 14 Pro Max by just a few minutes. However, according to Theramon Media, who used the Galaxy S23 Ultra for 6 days, the real-world battery life and usage matched the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has achieved similar screen-on time as Apple's best flagship phone with the same battery capacity as the 2022 flagship. This may be due to better optimization and the use of the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which provides better performance compared to the standard SoC. All models in the Galaxy S23 series feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, eliminating the division between Exynos and Qualcomm markets. This is great news as it suggests that the base Galaxy S23 and Plus models may also show a significant improvement in battery life compared to their 2022 counterparts. This is due to their larger batteries and increase of 200 mAh, compared to the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus. Now let's take a look at what Samsung says regarding the battery life of the new Galaxy S23 Ultra. According to the company, the Ultra model promises audio playback of 99 hours to 22% longer than S22 Ultra, video playback of 26 hours, 30% longer than S22 Ultra. What do you think? Comment down below. See you in the next video. Peace out.